All-Clad versus HexClad, who wins in this cookware clash? In the culinary world, the choice of cookware can make or break a dish, elevating a simple meal to gourmet status or leaving even the most skilled chef frustrated. As home cooking continues to rise in popularity, the quest to find the best pots and pans has become more important than ever. Among the myriad options available, two brands have emerged as frontrunners in the high-end cookware market: All-Clad, with its storied legacy of quality and performance, and HexClad, the innovative newcomer challenging the status quo. All-Clad has long been the go-to brand for professional chefs and serious home cooks alike, known for its exceptional heat distribution and durability. With a history dating back to the 1970s, All-Clad has set the standard for premium cookware, often seen as the pinnacle of culinary tools. On the other hand, HexClad burst onto the scene with a unique hybrid design, promising the best of both worlds: the durability of stainless steel combined with the convenience of a non-stick surface. As these two titans clash in the kitchen arena, consumers are left wondering which brand truly deserves the crown. Is All-Clad's time-tested craftsmanship still supreme, or has HexClad's innovative approach changed the game? In this comprehensive comparison, we'll delve deep into the construction, performance, and value of both brands, helping you navigate the complexities of high-end cookware. The cookware contenders: heritage versus innovation. All-Clad's legacy in the culinary world. All-Clad has been a stalwart in the cookware industry for decades, earning its reputation through consistent quality and performance. Founded in 1971, the company pioneered the use of bonded metals in cookware, creating pots and pans that offer superior heat distribution and durability. All-Clad cookware has become synonymous with professional-grade kitchen tools, gracing the stovetops of renowned chefs and discerning home cooks alike. HexClad's disruptive entry into the market. In contrast, HexClad is the new kid on the block, having entered the market in 2016 with a bold promise to revolutionize cookware. Their unique selling point is a hybrid technology that combines the benefits of stainless steel and non-stick surfaces. This innovative approach quickly caught the attention of cooking enthusiasts looking for versatile and durable cookware options. The philosophy behind each brand's approach. All-Clad's philosophy centers on traditional craftsmanship and proven techniques. They believe in creating cookware that will last a lifetime, focusing on materials and construction methods that have stood the test of time. HexClad, on the other hand, embodies a more modern approach, seeking to solve common cookware problems through technological innovation and design. Material matters: construction and durability. All-Clad's multi-ply bonded metals. All-Clad's signature construction involves bonding layers of different metals to create cookware that offers optimal heat conduction and durability. Their most popular line features a 3-ply construction with a stainless steel exterior, an aluminum core, and a stainless steel cooking surface. This combination ensures even heat distribution and a durable, non-reactive cooking surface. HexClad's hybrid technology explained. HexClad's innovative design features a unique pattern of raised stainless steel hexagons over a non-stick surface. This hybrid approach aims to offer the best of both worlds: the durability and heat retention of stainless steel combined with the ease of use associated with non-stick cookware. The pattern is designed to protect the non-stick surface while allowing for better searing and browning capabilities. Impact on longevity and performance. Both brands boast impressive durability, but in different ways. All-Clad's fully clad construction is known for its ability to withstand decades of use without warping or degrading. HexClad's hybrid surface claims to offer enhanced longevity compared to traditional non-stick pans, with the stainless steel elements protecting the non-stick coating from wear and tear. Thermal conductivity and distribution. All-Clad's reputation for even heating. All-Clad's multi-ply construction excels in heat distribution, providing consistent temperatures across the entire cooking surface. This even heating is crucial for achieving perfect results, especially when cooking delicate dishes that require precise temperature control. The aluminum core conducts heat rapidly and evenly, while the stainless steel exterior helps maintain that heat. HexClad's unique surface pattern and heat management. HexClad's distinctive hexagonal pattern isn't just for show. It's designed to create pockets of heat that enhance searing capabilities while still allowing for non-stick performance. The stainless steel elements conduct heat efficiently, while the non-stick areas between them prevent food from sticking. This design aims to offer the best of both worlds in terms of heat management. Real-world cooking performance comparison. In practical cooking scenarios, both brands perform admirably. All-Clad shines in tasks that require precise temperature control and even heating, such as making delicate sauces or perfectly seared meats. HexClad offers versatility, allowing for both high-heat searing and low-temperature cooking with easy food release. The choice often comes down to personal cooking style and preferences. Non-stick capabilities unveiled. All-Clad's stainless steel versus non-stick options. While All-Clad is primarily known for its stainless steel cookware, they do offer non-stick options. Their stainless steel lines require a proper technique to prevent sticking, but offer superior durability and the ability to develop fond, flavorful browned bits when cooking. Their non-stick options provide ease of use but may not have the same longevity as their stainless steel counterparts. HexClad's hybrid non-stick surface. HexClad's hybrid surface aims to offer the best of both worlds. The non-stick areas between the stainless steel hexagons provide easy food release, while the raised pattern allows for better searing and browning than traditional non-stick surfaces. This design also claims to be more durable than conventional non-stick coatings and resistant to scratches and wear. Long-term performance and durability of non-stick properties. In terms of long-term performance, All-Clad's stainless steel cookware maintains its properties indefinitely with proper care. Their non-stick options, like most non-stick cookware, may degrade over time. HexClad claims superior longevity for its non-stick properties due to the protective stainless steel pattern, potentially offering a longer-lasting non-stick experience compared to traditional coatings. Ergonomics and design. All-Clad's classic handle design and weight distribution. All-Clad's handles are known for their distinctive U-shaped design, which offers a secure grip and helps balance the weight of the pan. While some users find them comfortable, others note that the handles can be uncomfortable during prolonged use, especially with heavier pans. The weight distribution of All-Clad cookware is generally excellent, providing a substantial feel without being overly heavy. HexClad's modern approach to comfort and control. HexClad has taken a more modern approach to handle design, focusing on ergonomics and comfort. Their handles are designed to be comfortable for extended periods of cooking, with a shape that fits naturally in the hand. The weight of HexClad pans is typically lighter than comparable All-Clad pieces, which can be an advantage for some users, especially during long cooking sessions. User experience across various cooking techniques. For techniques that require frequent tossing or flipping, such as sautéing, HexClad's lighter weight and ergonomic handles may offer an advantage. However, for dishes that benefit from a heavier pan, such as achieving a perfect sear on a cast iron skillet, All-Clad's substantial construction might be preferred. The choice often comes down to personal cooking style and the types of dishes frequently prepared. From stovetop to oven, All-Clad's multifunction capabilities. All-Clad cookware is renowned for its versatility. Most of their pots and pans are oven-safe up to very high temperatures, often 600 degrees Fahrenheit or more, allowing for a seamless transition from stovetop to oven. This versatility is particularly useful for techniques like finishing a dish in the oven or keeping food warm before serving. HexClad's temperature resistance and adaptability. HexClad also offers impressive temperature resistance, with their cookware being oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While this is slightly lower than All-Clad's maximum temperature, it still covers most cooking needs. The hybrid surface of HexClad pans allows for a wide range of cooking techniques, from gentle simmering to high-heat searing, comparing performance across different cooking methods. Both brands perform well across various cooking methods. All-Clad excels in techniques that require precise temperature control and even heating, such as making delicate sauces or braising. HexClad's hybrid surface makes it particularly adept at tasks that benefit from non-stick properties while still allowing for good brownings, like cooking eggs or delicate fish. Maintenance showdown, cleaning and care. All-Clad's care requirements and potential challenges. All-Clad's stainless steel cookware is generally easy to clean, although it can be prone to sticking if not used correctly. While many pieces are dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for optimal care and longevity. HexClad's promises of easy maintenance. One of HexClad's main selling points is its ease of maintenance. The hybrid surface is designed to be easy to clean, with most food residues wiping away easily. HexClad pans are dishwasher safe, which can be a significant convenience for daily use. Final thoughts. Choosing between All-Clad and HexClad cookware ultimately depends on your cooking preferences and needs. All-Clad's traditional stainless steel construction excels in providing even heat distribution and temperature control, ideal for tasks that require precise cooking techniques. However, it might require a bit more maintenance to keep its polished appearance. On the other hand, HexClad's hybrid design offers a unique combination of non-stick convenience and stainless steel durability. It's perfect for cooks who value ease of use and want a versatile pan that can handle a wide range of cooking methods with minimal cleanup. Its lighter weight and ergonomic design could also be appealing to those who cook frequently and want something manageable. Both brands offer excellent quality and performance, making them reliable choices for any kitchen. Consider what aspects are most important to you, whether it's temperature range, maintenance, or weight, and you'll find the perfect cookware to match your culinary style. Meta description: compare All-Clad versus HexClad cookware. Discover which brand offers the best performance, durability, and value for your kitchen needs.